Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. This video is for Mother of India Public Schools class prep students and I, Mrs. Anshika Goyal, new class prep teacher. Today our subject is English, and in English, as first we have done 2-letter word, 3-letter word, 4-letter words, we have done vowels, we have done and. Now coming on to long sounds. So today we will be doing long sounds of E and long sound of O. That means we will study the words that are having double E. E 2 times together, O 2 times together, double O. Okay? And we will be doing it from your English book, that is Stepping Stones. From your English book, Stepping Stones. First, we will be doing long sounds of double. Long sound of E. B double E, B. You know what a B is? B double E, B. T R double E, tree. लंबी ई की आवाज आती है. J double E P, G. S H double E P, she. T double E T H, teeth. S L double E P, sleep. Now we'll read from these words. S double E C, F double E feet, P double E L peel, B double E B, F double E L feel, W double E P weep, W double E D wheat, J double E P jeep, S T double E P steep, S double E D seed, T H R double E tree. You remember number names? M double E T meat, F R double E free, D double E P deep, F double E T feet, S W double E T sweet. Children, I hope you all have understood long sound of E. And now we will be doing long sounds of O. Long sound of O. M double O N moon, S P double O N spoon, S T double O L stool, B R double O M broom. Now these words. C double O L cool, P double O L pool, F double O L fool, B double O K book, T double O L tool, I G L double O igloo, S T double O L stool, H double O K hook, L double O K look, R double O M room, S P double O N spoon, B R double O M broom. Children, long sound of E and long sound of O. Now coming on to practice work. I will be giving you a short worksheet to do from home. Ask your parents to copy it, to download it, and you have to work on it. Children, you all can see your practice work. See what you have to do. This is your worksheet. First exercise will be think and complete. What you have to do is, there is a picture and there are 3 words and you have to match the picture with the correct word. Tell me, this is a bee, tree or fee? This is a bee. What is this? Is this a spoon, tool or look? This is a spoon. You have to match it. What is this? This is a jeep, sleep or sheep? This is a sheep. Then match it with this. This picture, room, stool or cool? This is a stool. These are your teeth, peel or steep? These are your teeth. What is this? Hook, pool or igloo? This is igloo. And in exercise number 2, look at the pictures and fill in the missing vowels. You have to fill in the vowels. First is moon. कौन सी आवाज आ रही है? Double O. Second is tree. Double E. Then third is broom. Double O. And fourth is jeep. Double E. Ask Mama Papa to download this picture and you will do the work. Children, I hope today you must have learned something good. Long sound of E and long sound of O. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Do your work. When you will come back to school, I will be asking you for these things. Thank you. Have a nice day.